G'day and welcome to a RetroTinker quick fix. Today I'm going to do a little experiment. The other day, for the first time, I've had the crotch break in one of my G.I Joes. This here is 1983 Lieutenant Falcon. I literally picked him up, moved the leg slightly, and the crotch piece just dropped off. Luckily I found the broken piece. I've fixed figures with this break before, but this is the first time I've actually had the broken bit to work with. So I want to see if it'll glue back on with plastic cement. If it's made of the right kind of plastic, the plastic cement will melt the two pieces back together. If it doesn't work, then I guess I'll have to drill and pin the joint and use super glue. So this is what I'm going to try and use, Tamiya extra thin cement. If you're overseas, you might be able to find some other brand like Plastic Weld, but here in Australia that stuff's been banned. Something about harmful chemicals, I guess. But anyway, let's pull the figure apart and see if we can fix him. Yeah, you can see the white stress marks there where the plastic, obviously that's where the pressure's been. But yeah, hopefully the plastic weld works and it just fuses together. It should be a nice strong join then. It doesn't look like it's had any other glue on it or anything, so this might be a fresh break. I'll scrape at it with a craft knife first just to make sure that there's nothing that's going to interfere with the bond. Right, let's see if this works. Yeah, that looks like it's working pretty well. I'll leave it to dry out and set, and then we'll check on it later. Right, let's test how strong the joint is. That is completely fused again. And it's really hard to see that it was ever broken at all. You wouldn't know unless you saw this little white line here. That's fantastic. This stuff works really well on Joe's, apparently. Alright, I guess now I get to put him back together. After the effort of putting him back together, it seems that I did put a little bit of stress back on that join. So I do recommend you still be careful with the figure, especially when you're putting him together. I might just paint a little bit more of the plastic weld on there and just hope it sticks. But for all intents and purposes here, he's good for display, and I reckon he'll stand up to a bit of play as well. Alright, I'm just going to leave that to dry out and then he should be ready to put back on the shelf. And there we have it. Lieutenant Falcon is back in fighting shape once again. Time will tell how long this fix will last, but for the time being the plastic cement seems to have worked really well and this figure is back to looking damn near mint. I hope you've enjoyed this quick fix video. If you have, please leave a like, leave a comment, give the old algorithm a tickle. It all helps and I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Yo Joe!